Hey guys, it's Bill with Rad Air Complete Car Care and Tire Centers. Just want to remind you that we have 10 Northern Ohio locations to service you. We go as far south as Medina, as far west as Westlake, and as far east as Wickliffe. We have all the other stores in between. What we're doing during the COVID-19 pandemic to keep all of our team members and our clients safe, we're disinfecting all the vehicles, we're wiping down our client reception areas, your keys, all the touch points inside the vehicles are wiping down, and our technicians are wearing gloves throughout the repair process. To make things easy, we are offering a pickup and drop-off service. What this means is you don't have to leave your office if you are an essential worker, or you don't have to leave your home if you're stuck at home. We'll come to you, we'll pick up your car, clean it, bring it back, perform the services. We can communicate via text or phone, and then return your car back to you after we've collected payment on the phone. A true zero-touch experience. We also have night drops where we can pick up, or where you can drop off your car. Here, kind of the same experience. We'll do everything over the phone, leave the keys and your invoice in the car, and you can come pick it up without even having to come inside. Plus, we still have our courtesy loaner cars, which are wiped down and cleaned every day for you as well. So, I know these are uncertain times. There's lots of different things that we can do for you. Anything from an oil change to brake, steering, suspension. There's lots of tire rebates going on right now. And we're getting ready to get into air conditioning season. So we do have some coupons to help you save some money and get your car ready for when we can get out, have some fun, and get life a little bit back to normal. If you do have any questions, don't be afraid to call or email your local Rad Air Neighborhood Car Care Center.